Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going through Cambridge IGCSE Feb March 2023 paper 2. This is the second part of this video. I hope you have watched the first video. We did 16 questions in first video. Here we are going to do the remaining one. So if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and I will eagerly wait for your comments in the comment section for the feedback. So the question that we have here, ABC is a cyclic quadrilateral, ABX is a straight line, here is the ABX line here, and PQ is a tangent which is here, and the circle at A angle CBX which is 85, it's given to us over here, and then we have BAQ is 55, CAD, all angles are mentioned over here and you can see on the diagram. Now we are going to find out angle CBD, this angle. Right. So if you see here, let me show you. If you see here, this arc, so angle CBD and angle ADC, they both are in the same arc, right? So that means if this angle is 42, then this is also going to be 42. So that's what I'm writing here, 42 degrees. Okay. Now next one, angle ACB. Angle ACB, where is angle ACB? ACB, we are looking for this angle ACB. Okay. So now as you can see, this is a triangle here. So this angle is, if you see, let me remind you the alternate segment theorem. So this we have something like this here. Okay. So this angle is 55, so then this angle is going to be the same, right? Sorry, this is tangent here. So then this angle is going to be 55. So this is 55. Okay. So let me write it down here, angle 55 degrees. Okay. So now angle ADC, ADC is this one here. This also is going to be an okay. This is the line angle 80, this is a straight line. Okay. So then we have this angle is we are looking for angle ADC. ADC is this angle we have 45 and we got this 55, and if we get this angle we are going to get the value of ADC. So let's see. This one is 85. Okay, so we can calculate this angle, right? This angle is for 85 plus 42, 7, 127. So 180 minus 127, 10 minus 3, 6 minus, this is going to be 5 here. So this angle is now 53, right? So we have this angle 53. So as this is 55 and this is 53, by alternate segment theorem this is also going to be 53. Okay. So once we got this angle 53 by alternate segment theorem, we are able to find out this angle. All these angles sum is 180, and 180 minus you can reduce subtract this one. So I'm getting here this angle as 30 degrees now. So we got all these angles, but we are looking for ADC. Now how to find out ADC? We have this angle is 30 and this is 53. So by alternate segment theorem, so this is the triangle now from here to here. So if this is 53, this is also 53. Okay. So now once we got this angle, so then we can find out angle ADC. So ADC is going to be 53 plus 53, 106. Then we are going to subtract it from 100 and sorry, no, this is not 53. Let me just rub it. We are looking for the triangles inside the angles inside the triangle. So angle inside the triangle we have here 42, 42 plus, then this is 53. So then 180 minus 95. this is 85. So we got this angle as 85. So I'm going to write down here angle 85 degrees, right? So angle BCD, BCD we have already calculated, I think. BCD, yeah, BCD is going to be, you are going to add this 55 and 53. So let me write it down. 53 plus 55, this is 108, right? 108. Now angle PAD, where is P? P is here, PAD, it is 53, we have already calculated that. So we can write it down here, 53, right? So that's it for this question. Be careful, guys. So this basically the alternate segment theorem was applicable in the whole question, right? Now number 18, we have two solids are mathematically similar and have volumes 81 and 24. So the surface area of the smaller solid is 44. Calculate the surface area of the larger. So now they are given to us the similar. So that means their ratios is going to be in proportion. Volume of the smaller and volume of the larger will be equals to length of the smaller and length of the larger power 3, because it's a volume, right? So volume of the smaller is the surface area is given to us. Okay, we are not given the volume, actually we are given the, sorry, it's a volume. So volume of 81 and 24, the smaller is 24 and larger is 81. So lengths we don't have, so length of smaller over length of larger, and we can have the cube root of this when you take this 3 to other side. So then we will have here this is 3 times 8, so 8 cube, it will be cube root of 8, cube root of 8 is 2 and this is 3. So we have this, right? The ratio of the length as 2 over 3. Now we are looking for the area of the smaller and area of the larger. Area of the smaller, that will be length of smaller, length of larger power 2, because now it's area, right? So surface area of the smaller, so that is 44, and surface area of the larger we are going to calculate. So area of the larger, I am just writing it as it is. So LS over LL, we have 2 over 3 and then it is squared. So which is 2 times 2 4, 3 times 3 it is 9. So AL, area of the larger, is 4 over 44 times 9 over 4. So this is 11 times 9, it is 99. So final answer is 99, right? Now number 19, find the value of x when 6x plus y is equal to 10 and y is x squared minus 3x plus 10. So as you can see, we have the value, this is a line and this is a quadratic, so we can just equate them or just substitute the value, it's up to you. So we have here 6x plus y, and y we have the value this one, so I'm just writing it, x square minus 3x plus 10 is equal to 10, right? So this 10 and 10 gets cancelled, so we have here x squared, 6x minus 3x is plus 3x equals to 0. So x is common, x plus 3 equals to 0. So from here we have x is 0 or x will be negative 3, right? So that's the value of x, which is 0 and negative or negative 3, right? Now number 20, find the nth term of each sequence. Now nth term of each sequence, we are looking for the nth term here. As you can see, the first one here we have the number is actually increasing, okay? So let's see what is the difference here. So this one difference here is 1, then we have difference of 7, 19 and 37. So again we will subtract, this is 6, 12, and here the difference is 18, and then again continue 6 and 6. Now we got in the third step. So that means it's a cubic function, I mean the cubic. So for the cubic we are going to have now, if n is, let me just write it down, the if n is equal to first term, then second, third, fourth and fifth, right. So here first term is -1, this is 0, 7, 26 and 63. Now for the cubic function we need to have something cube, right. So if you look at all these numbers, if I subtract 1 from every number, so if I subtract 1, let's say this is going to, I am starting from here, 0 minus 1, if I write here, so 8 minus 1, and if I write here as 25 minus 1, if I write here 24, 64 minus 1, let me write this, sorry, this should be 27 minus 1. You see what I am doing, I have just added 1 over here, so here I can write 1 minus 1, right. So this becomes 0, this becomes 7, this is 26. If you see, this is 2 cubed minus 1, this is 3 cubed minus 1, this is 4 cubed minus 1, right. So this is the nth term, which is 3, but here is 2 minus 1, so 1 less than that. So that means n minus 1 power 3 and then minus 1. So let's see if it is working for this one over here also. The first one is first term n is 1, 1 minus 1, which is 0 and -1, then you will get this one, this over here, -1. And for the second term, 2 minus 1 is 1, then 1 power 3 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So then this is working. So this is the final answer for the nth term, right. Now the next one we have here, 24, 12, 6, 3. As you can see, this is decreasing, and it is decreasing by when you divide it by 2, right. So you are getting the next term. So that means this is a geometric sequence. So this is a geometric sequence, and for geometric sequence we have the formula of nth term, which is a r n minus 1. So a is the first term and r is the, let me write down here, a n is a r power n minus 1. A is first term and r is common ratio, which is 2, 1 over 2, because we are dividing it by 2. So that will be 1 over 2 n minus 1. So that is going to be the final answer for this one, 24 1 over 2 power n minus 1, right. Now next question, number 21, a car travels 14 kilometers correct to the nearest kilometers, right, and then it takes 12 minutes correct to the nearest minute. So this we have distance here, this is the time here, right. So speed is equal to, what are we looking for? We are looking for calculate the lower bound of the speed. So speed is distance over time, right. So distance over time, we cannot take this directly because they are nearest to. So we can have the distance, which is 14 to the nearest kilometer. The upper bound is going to be 14.5 and the lower bound is going to be 13.5. Similarly for minutes, 12 minutes, upper bound is 12.5 and the lower bound is 11.5. So we are looking for the lower bound of speed, right. For the lower bound of speed, we will have lower bound of distance over upper bound of time, right. So lower bound of distance, we are going to use this one, and upper bound is this here. So it is 13.5 divided by 12.5, which is 1.08. So 1.08. right, is the final answer. Now number 22, the diagram shows a triangular prism A, B, C, D, Q, P of length first 7 centimeters. The cross section is a triangle PAB, which is here, and the dimensions are given here. Calculate the angle between line PC and base ABCD. So ABCD base is here, this one we are talking about this here, and we are looking for this angle actually from joining from here and this side here, we are looking for this angle. Okay, so let's say this is theta. Now first of all we have to find out this length here. Sorry for the messy diagram, let me just erase all this. So as you know now, we are looking for this angle here, this angle, right? So we have to, this is a, as this is a triangular, this is going to be this is a triangular prism, so this angle is 90 here. So we can use Pythagoras theorem to find out AC here. So we will have AC square is going to be 5 squared plus 7 squared, right, which is 25 plus 49. Then AC is square root of 25 plus 49, which is 74, and it comes out to be 8.6 centimeters, right. So once we have this 8.6 here centimeters, we can find out the as this is a right angle triangle. Now here this is going to be right angle here, so we can use SOHCAHTOA here. So we will have here tan of angle PCA, yeah, PCA will be equals to 4 over 8.6. so you can easily use SOHCAHTOA here. We are going to use this one here. So this is 24 point wait, so this is going to be, we are just going to find out the this angle PCA is going to be tan inverse of 4 over 8.6, right. So this is equal to 24.94, approximately 24.9. That's it for this one. So I can write it down here, 24.9 degrees. Now next question we have here, simplify this fraction here, and let's see, let me just zoom a bit. Simplify. So to simplify, we can easily make the factors of this. So I can write it down. We are looking for like something when you multiply, you get here, this is 12 times 5, it is 60. So we are looking for 60, and when you add them together you get negative 19. So I can see 15 and 4 can work. 15 times 4 both negative, so negative 15, negative 4. So we can write it down, 5x squared minus 15x minus 4x plus 12 over, we have here a square minus b square. So I can write it down like this, right. So now what is common from here we will see. So 5x is common, and we have x minus 3, then minus 4 into x minus 3. Okay. Now here we are going to apply formula, a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b, x plus 3, x minus 3, right. So then we will have x minus 3 common from the numerator. Inside we have 5x minus 4. So here we have x plus 3 and x minus 3, right. So this and this is cancelled, so we are left with only 5x minus 4 over x plus 3 as answer, right. Now number 24, the probability of Jamie hitting a target is 1/3. The probability that he hits the target for the first time in his nth attempt is this. So the successful term is, attempt is nth, which is 64/187. So now this is the probability of hitting, right? Probability of the hit is 1/3. And what will be the probability of not hitting? Probability of not hitting is going to be 1 minus 1/3, which is 2/3, right? So now what exactly is happening here? So he is going to get the probability that he is not hitting. So he is doing n trials, right? So first trial he is not successful, that is 2/3. Second trial not successful, third trial not successful, fourth trial not successful, until 2/3, one less than that, the last one he is successful, right? And this probability is 64 we are given this one 87 here. So now this is n minus 1, right? Terms, number of terms, n minus 1, and this is the nth term, right? So this 2/3 is coming how many times? N minus 1 times 1/3, and this is equal to 64/2187. Now we can find out the value of n from here. So 2/3 power n minus 1 is equal to 64/2187 times 3. So when you calculate this, 729. So this is 64/729. Now 729. So as you can see, this can be written as 2/6, and this is 3/6, right? 2/6 is 64, 3/6 is 64, 729. 2/3 power n minus 1 equals to 2/3 power 6. So base is same, so n minus 1 is equal to 6 and n will be 7, right? So n is 7, the final answer. Okay. Now question number 25, I think this is the last question. Yeah, this is the last question of this paper. I hope you guys are getting everything whatever I am teaching you. So if there is anything, let me know in the comment section. I will eagerly wait for your comments in the comment section. So kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel, and share it with your friends. Now so we have here this is function, let it be equal to y. So then y minus 1 is equal to x cubed, and x is going to be cube root of y minus 1. Okay, so then f inverse x is the cube root of, just replace y by x. So that is the final answer, cube root of x minus 1. So thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next video. Be blessed.